Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. If this helps, don't forget to subscribe and to also like the video. So in order to take a screenshot on your iPhone, you do need to know that your phone has different buttons. We are going to be using them to take a screenshot. So in the left-hand side of your phone, you're going to have 3 different buttons. These 2 right here are going to be your volume buttons. And then on the right side of your iPhone, you have 1 button. This is the button that locks your phone. We're also going to be using that one. So what you need to do is at the same time, we're going to select the top button right here, the one that increases your volume, and the other one that you have right here on the right. We're going to select both of them at the same time. And as you can see, that immediately took a screenshot for us. So if I go and select the image, I'm able to see a screenshot of my screen. And that's it. You only need to select those 2 buttons at the same time, the one at the left and the one on the right, and that's it. I hope this video helped.